Hi, welcome to Guys Portal. This is Shukesh Bonik, and today I'm gonna show you an exclusive review of HP DV6 7010TX. It is the first ever laptop available in India with the all-new Ivy Bridge processor, aka third generation of Intel Core processors. I'll be talking about the specification later, or you can check the description for the specifications. Let's have a closer look at the hardware first. Well, there is only one headphone port, unlike the Sandy Bridge DV6 laptops. Okay, there are two USB 3.0 or super speed USB ports here. The RJ45 or Ethernet port is covered with a cover, and there is also a HDMI port and also the VGA port here, and air vents for cooling, what HP calls CoolSense. Now let's have a closer look at the right hand side of the laptop. Well, there are two LED indicators, one for the power and another for the DVD drive. This is the another USB 3.1 and this is the only USB 2.0 port. Next to that is the typical power input port with the LED indicator and also the Kensington micro saver lock slot. The back side, you can see there is another air vent for better cooling. Well, there is a subwoofer with the Beat logo. That seems great. This laptop is equipped with quad speakers from Beat. There are some other air vents here. In the front there is nothing because HP moved the subwoofers in the back side. Here is the SD-MMC card slot. Now let's have a glance at the top side of the laptop. Well, the color is midnight black with the metallic finish. HP has considerably changed the look of their DV6 laptops with the introduction of the Ivy Bridge processor. The width of the laptop is 32.5 mm compared to the 35.2 mm in Sandy Bridge DV6 laptops. The weight is also a little bit less than the previous one, starting at 2.57 kg. I can obviously say that the laptop has got a nice look. The dazzling metallic finish and the glowing HP logo will attract a lot of people's attention. Now let's have a closer look at the internal body. This laptop has the typical DV6 Island style or checklist style keyboard with the glossy background, and here is a tiny Beat logo. Here is the touchpad, which is pretty wide compared to the previous ones. Here is the power on off button, and the quad speakers are concealed here with the Beat logo I've shown before, and the border of the screen is quite narrow, which gives the screen a nice look. Here is the Beat audio logo, and here is the HP TrueVision HD cam, which is capable of 720p video recording and also 1.3 megapixel still imaging. You can see the dual digital array internal microphones. The screen is LED backlit 15.6 inch with 1366 by 768 pixel resolution. Now it is the time for the discussion of the specification, which is the most notable thing in this laptop. This laptop is equipped with 3610QM processor, which is a Intel 3rd generation Core i7 processor with 4 cores that can handle up to 8 threads with the help of hyper-threading. The base speed is 2.3 GHz and you can get up to 3.1 GHz with the Turbo Boost 2.0 and 3.3 GHz with only one core active. It has 6 MB L3 cache and also features 1600 MHz DDR3 RAM support and also PCI Express 3.0. It has 6 GB 1600 MHz RAM and 640 GB internal hard disk. HP has downgraded the graphics card from GDDR5 to DDR3 GT630, which has 2 GB of dedicated memory, but the Intel HD 4000 graphics is quite impressive and much faster than HD 3000. That's all for now. I will be uploading a 1080p review of this laptop and a comparison with the 6165TX. So do subscribe to my channel and also comment and like this video.